Brought to you by JEGS.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Boostline Performance. Up on the dyno this morning, we've got one of our forged 408 LS engines. We're using AFR heads, Boostline series rods with center counterweight crank, and a 2618 forged piston. Now let's get in here, let's make some rips on it, we'll break it in the right way and see what kind of power it makes. All right, there you have it, everyone. 600 horsepower, maintaining solid oil pressure, a good, reliable 408 LS engine. And if you're looking for your own, you can get this straight from JEGS. This one's on its way, it'll be ready to ship. So be sure to check that out on the JEGS website.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.